let's go. We want to talk about division of weight. Division of weight. Don't need to bother yourself too. You divide a number the same way we divide weight. It's just the unit that differs. Just apply the same process. Let's see examples. Alright, divide 4.2 kilogram by 5. Divide 14.2 kilogram by 5. We want to divide by 5. Now, let's see, this is a divisional sign. So you have your 5, which is the divisor. You have 14.2 kilogram. Okay, let's see. This is the answer up here. Then you will need to process it to see how we're able to get this answer. So let's look at the process once again. You can see 5 in 14. How many 5 will I get in 14? It is 2. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5, that gives us 10. Now that 10 you get, put it directly under your 14 because you've divided 14. So put the 10 under it to check if there's going to be any remainder. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, you can see there, there's remainder 4. The remainder is 4. So bring down your point and bring down this 2. Now, how many 5 will I get in 4? You know that cannot be possible. So we bring this together to make it 42. So how many 5 will I get in 42? And don't forget, you are now crossing over to the decimal place. So you have to reflect the decimal here, telling us that you have now crossed over to decimal place. So 5 in 42, that will give you 8. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So put the 40 exactly under this 4.2. You can see there. You can see minus 40. You take away to check if there's going to be any remainder. So let's see. Alright, you can see this remainder, of course. This remainder here. Now that is 2. The remainder is 2. Now, you want to divide this 2. Now, to make the division perfect, you need to add 0 to this 2. And that is 20. So how many 5 will I get in 20? That is going to give you 4. So 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Take away, then what you're going to get is what? 0. Why? Because you want to terminate your division. So that is why you must add 0 to these 2 to make it a perfect one. You can see we add 0 to number at the decimal to make perfectly divisible. That is why we put 0 on this 2 to make it a terminal division. So let's see another one. Okay, problems on division of weight. Problems on division of weight. If 13 packets of sweet weigh 1,560 grams, if 13 packs of sweets weigh 1,560 grams, then how much does each packet weigh? That's very, very simple. So what you're going to do here is how many, what's the weight of one packet? If 13 packets altogether weighs this. So what do we do there? We divide. Okay, let's see. Solution. Here you have 13 packets weigh 1,560 grams. Okay, let's see. A gram weighs 1,560 grams divided by 13. So what do we do there? Our answer here is 120 grams. So let's see the process. Let's see how we're able to arrive at it. Let's see the workings properly. So you can see there, that's our working here. You can see it. You have 13, 1,560 grams divided by 13. The same vein, how many 13 will I get in 15? It is 1. 1 times 13, that is 13. Put it directly under the 15 you're dividing. Then subtract to check if there's going to be any remainder. Oh yeah, of course there's a remainder. Oh, 5 take away 3, that is 2. So bring down your 6 here. You have 26. How many 13 will I get in 26? That is 2. So 2 times 13, that gives us 26. Then you subtract. When you subtract, oh, it remains nothing. But bring down this 0. You're still going to divide is 0. So how many 13 will I get in this 0? It is 0. Because if you are using 0, if you are using number to divide 0, it is 0. 0 divided by any number gives you 0. So your answer is 0. You can see the 0 times 13 is 0. Subtract is to get your what? Finally, your 0. Can you see it's a very simple work? It's a simple process. I think you enjoyed this session with me. I want to say a bigger thank you to you. Bye-bye.